All right, so we muscled this ceiling panel up here, and we've already gotten all the conduits over here thread through and the conduits in the back, and we're just going to finish this last one to show you what needs to be done to get these conduits thread up through the ceiling panels. My trusty helper Casey's inside there. Watch out for that bulb. You gotta kind of bend them down and around like this, and then get them up in those holes. It can be a little challenging, but once you get it up there, you've got it dialed in. You can spin it around a little as needed. And okay, let her down a little bit. All right, we got her through there. That's kind of what has to happen for those. And let that ceiling panel back down. This is all covered up by exterior trim too, so you don't have to worry too much about that. Okay.